Nung, ako'y gobernador, hindi ganito. At bukod pa sa laki ng halaga ng nakukuha ng kung sino-sino na tao na wala namang karapatan na bulsahin ang pera na yan, bukod pa ron ay hindi nila tinatago.
Garapala na po. In your words, it's economic
Yun ang
sabotage.
shocking
Yeah.
kasi ngayon sila walang pakialam.
But how did it become that way?
This is what I
why
really,
so brazen?
how did we evolve? How did the system evolve? So it became like this. It did not happen overnight. This happened over many decades. And we have to figure out kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari para hindi na mangyari ulit, to put the safeguards in place, which if it requires legislation, if it requires restructuring the government, lahat yan kailangan natin gawin. Pero kailangan natin malaman kung paano tayo, ako, nasasyak ako, hindi ako makapaniwala na nandito na tayo na ganit na ang gobyerno na
But so many regimes, and it just keeps getting worse.
it did.
So how did we get here, and what can we do now to?
Well, I cannot give you a complete answer to how did we get here. The simplistic answer will be, paano tayo nagkaganto? Dahil pinabayaan. And what can we do? What we can do is to find out how this happened, who are the people that are involved, make them answerable for their wrongdoing, and fix the structure so this is not allowable.
Okay.
That's the word that I think that it became allowable. Okay lang.
Yes,
Hindi problema yan. Hindi krimen yan. Sige lang.
it was normalized.
Yeah,
It's people have come to accept this, no?
Yes, yes.
But to the level na 30% na lang yung naiiwan sa mga proyekto, astounding yun.
That's the part that talagang hindi ako makatulog pag iniisip ko. Paano tayo nagkaganto?
That's why we're really looking forward to this independent body which you will be forming.
Yes.
And we're just wondering, how powerful will this body be? Will they be able to even investigate the Congress people, the Senate?
They will have the
subpoena
authority
powers.
to investigate anything and anyone. Otherwise, then what they will have, they sasabihin, may sacred cow na naman, o may pinoproteksyonan dahil kasama sa politika, whatever. Pagka nangyari yun, wala rin kabuluhan yung kanilang investigasyon.